We'll give you that really nice.
Evan, Whitney, good to see you guys.
Hi, Kevin.
You must be Sarah.
I am, yes. Pleasure to meet you.
Pleasure to meet you. Thank you for the beautiful showroom. You letting us use it.
Thank you for being here.
So this has got to be exciting, getting past some of the demolition and forgetting about the framing for a day and start talking about the dream kitchen, right?
Yes, yes. It's a little more of an optimistic phase, so.
Right. Sarah, can you give us sort of a lay of the land with sort of how everything is coming together in terms of layout?
Sure. So the front of the home is up here. We have the back of the home along this wall here. And then we will have most of the walkway space, the entry point through this area of the house.
It's a big space, right? I mean, we've got a sort of an informal dining area here.
Yes.
And then walk me through your decisions with this.
Yes. So they wanted to be able to have a good amount of seating with one level as opposed to two, giving that opportunity to entertain. You love to cook, so dual function was important.
And so where is fire and refrigeration?
So the range wall runs along here, just opposite the sink, and then we have the refrigerator on this adjoining wall.
Okay, so good orientation for us from the drawing here. A rendering as well, which is always very helpful. Evan and Whitney, does that meet your vision of what you were hoping for?
Yeah, it kind of started, we were looking online and I saw an image of a gray cabinet, wood island with white backsplash that looked really nice.
So we really wanted to try and incorporate the wood from the island into the wood hood above the stove. So we were able to use actually the same material, which is great, but we'd actually envisioned it even being a little bit thicker.
All right, and then as we move around to the refrigeration wall, this is the other half of the L. So here we will see stainless, and above the fridge, open shelving for some storage.
Yes, the cookbook nook.
Yes.
We'd need a spot to store all of my cookbooks.
Yes, a wish list item.
The thing that I noticed is the height of the upper cabinets. That's a lot of cabinetry right there. Is that upper cove going all the way to the ceiling or just below it?
It is. It rests right at the ceiling. We have 48-inch high wall cabinets.
Wow.
With a two-piece crown.
And that's what you guys are looking for, that sort of sophisticated look.
We did. We wanted to avoid the empty dead space you sometimes see above cabinets that collects dust and you have to get up there to clean and things like that.
So in terms of door styles, what did you guys ask for?
We wanted clean, simple lines.
So when they say simple lines, where does that lead you?
That led me right to a shaker style door.
Okay. Everybody to the shaker style door, a classic simple door.
Very classic, very simple. Yes.
Your guys' thought on this?
It's clean and simple.
We liked it. I wanted to see something maybe a little bit more modern, a little bit different than super plain.
Which sends you where, Sarah?
So then we started to look at this door here, which has just a little bit of detail, but still maintaining that clean line.
So as you guys see the two next to each other,
We definitely prefer the white.
so clean enough, simple enough, but not too simple.
Exactly.
Yes.
There you go. So this is what we are looking at in the rendering right there.
Yes.
While we're here, how about color? Two-tone for you guys. Your natural wood color is this?
Yes.
And then I presume this is perimeter color as well.
Yes.
Correct.
Does this stand for your countertop on both island and perimeter?
We would like to keep the countertop the same on the island and the perimeter.
So that's like a lighter marble. I presume this is a quartz type material.
It is correct, yes.
Popular these days, right?
Yes, they had a very clear vision.
And then when you put the two together, you guys are going to be like this on the island. Same material for island as well as all of the perimeter cabinets.
Yes.
So you're going to have that look all the way around.
Correct. And then we'll have just the white subway tile on the back.
So you guys have got some pretty classic forms right here between sort of the modified shaker, subway tile.
Absolutely.
In terms of lower cabinets, guys, your thoughts? What were you looking for?
Well, we don't know that it's in the budget to do any inserts, but Winnie really likes a lot of the ones she sees here.
I would like all the inserts.
So there's one.
It does help organize things, that's for sure.
Yes, I'm key on
This one's
organization. I love the double layer here as well, and also the fact that this is removable for easy cleaning.
Okay, what else you got there for storage? Anything else that piques your guys' interest?
These are movable dividers, which again, I think is just convenient, easy for cleaning, and again, if you have a couple custom utensils that just don't quite fit, you're able to remove one to accommodate.
And then in terms of doors and functionality, have you guys decided? And are you thinking of something like this with the inset?
Yes, maybe.
He has the blank look on his face. Help him out, Sarah. What are his choices?
We certainly can do the inset. What I show in the renders here is a full overlay, which gives that nice clean line that we're looking for in the space.
Yeah, I mean, that looks great.
Yeah.
Clean line. It looks
Yes.
good. You had them right there. All right.
Yes.
Well, that's why you're here, to help you make these decisions, which is perfect. And also help with the bathrooms too, right? Did I hear that you're helping us with those?
Correct. Yes, several. We have several to design and
So
work through.
more fun and more
Yes.
decisions to be made, which you have some time, but not forever.
too much.
Yeah, so I guess you have to get
Not
through.
forever.
All right, well, back to it. Have at it. And Sarah, nice meeting you.
It was a pleasure meeting you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.